What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the headlight on a Mercedes W204 C-Class step by step. This method works for models from 2007 to 2014, including halogen and xenon headlights. Let's get started. Tools needed: 8mm and 10mm socket, ratchet with extension, Phillips flat screwdriver, trim tool. Gloves recommended. If you have xenon headlights, make sure to disconnect the battery first because of high voltage. Now jack up the car and remove the wheel. Remove the screws inside the wheel arch liner. Open the hood and you need to remove the front grille. Now remove this plastic trim. It has one screw in the middle. Next, remove the front grille by pushing it inside. Remove this cover by removing two clips. Now remove this two screws, one for holding the bumper and one holding the headlight. Pull the fender line and remove two screws holding the bumper. Now remove the screw holding the headlight. There is a screw underneath here holding the headlight. Remove it. Now we can remove the headlight by pulling the bumper. Before pulling the headlight, remove the connector. Press the clip and unplug it. Now the headlight is free. Installation is the reverse process. Make sure the wiring connector clicks properly. All bolts are tightened. The bumper clips are aligned correctly. After installation, check your headlight alignment. And that's it. That's how you remove the headlight on a Mercedes W204 step by step. As you saw, it's not a very complicated job, but you do need to remove the front bumper to do it properly and safely. Take your time, keep track of all the screws. Make sure you disconnect everything carefully, especially if you're working with xenon headlights.